Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is a new makeup tutorial. Please bear with me, I have insane hay fever right now, so my eyes are watering like crazy. I've probably got blue smudged all down my face right now. It is crazy, but I did want to film because I started doing this look and then I sort of got an outbreak of hay fever and I thought I can't not film, like I've already started. So yeah, I'll keep this short and simple. If you do enjoy this video, please let me know down below, subscribe, etc, etc, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so to start off today's tutorial, I'm going to take the Lick and Lash Beauty palette. This is the 35E palette. And I'm going to go straight into this dark navy shade, and I'm just going to start packing that through the crease and also onto the lid, just leaving like a gap in the centre. And then once that's all pigmented, I'm going to go into the light blue shade and I'm going to use that just to blend out that colour. And then I'm just going to take the black shade from that palette and just use this to deepen up that black, not the black, the blue. I'm then going to take some foundation and use this to cut the crease. I'm going to do it like the centre part like I did last time, you know, like a spotlight halo eye. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm first just going to go into the white shade in that palette and I'm just going to set the centre of where we cut. And then I'm just going to go into this green shade here. Oh. And I'm just going to put this on the side of where we put the white so that the navy blue fades into like a greeny shade. And then I'm just going to take some of that navy and blend the navy into that green. And then I'm going to take the Essence eyeliner pen in 02 White and I'm just going to line it where we cut the crease. And then I'm just going to take the Smart Colour Eye Pencil by KIKO in the shade 11 and run this on my waterline. And then I'm going to go back in with that navy shade that we first went in with and just connect it from the top to the lower lash line. and then I've just left a gap in the centre part of that lower lash line so I can just add the green as well. And I'm going to take the Olivia Belle lashes in the style Kimmy, and I'm just going to glue these onto my lids. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought. Please click the like button and do subscribe, and I will see you all in a few days. Thanks everyone. Bye.